Hey chef, what is a roux? Well, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the very classic French thickener used to thicken all types of soup, stocks, and sauces on this episode of Hey, what's going on everybody? Jimmy here with The Other Chef. On this channel, we talk about the food service industry. We also do some food product demos, as well as check out some of the eats and drinks on the local area. So if you're interested in some of those topics, consider subscribing. So what is a roux? A roux by definition is a French style thickener that consists of a fat and a flour, or fat and a starch, that is made into a paste and then thickened into a particular application. So let's head into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to create this thickener. And there you have it. Very simple and very versatile. Keep in mind that you can use this roux in the near future if you want to make a large batch of it and keeping it warm or contained. Hey, thanks for watching. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell for notifications on future content to include more traveling videos and as well as cooking videos on this channel. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.